know many people are having trouble with their Optoma Pico PK120 video projector's unpredictability? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power connection. First, ensure the projector's firm connection to a working power source with a securely attached power cable. Step 2. Examine lamp indicator. Next, look out for any flashing lights or error messages from the lamp status indicator. They may suggest a faulty lamp. Step 3. Clean air filter. Then, find the air filter and clean it. Clogging might cause overheating and abrupt shutdowns. Step 4. Select correct input. Make sure you've selected the correct input source on the projector, switchable through the remote control or the projector's own buttons. Step 5. Perform factory reset. Perform a factory reset on your projector to fix any software or configuration failures. After following these steps, your projector should be working reliably and as expected. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Optoma users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.